Section 4. Please go to page 7 in your book, the same as the sheet on the whiteboard, and take out your vowels and consonants you have cut out. We are now going to build new sounds with our letters. I want you to find the letter B and put it in front of you. Now I want you to find the red letter A and put it in front of the B. This sound says ba. Say the sound after me, ba. I want you to look on page 7 in your book for the sound ba. Say the sound ba. We are now going to change the sound. I want you to take away the letter A and find the letter E. And put it in front of the B. B plus E says be. Say the sound after me, be. I now want you to find the sound be on your page. Put your finger on the sound. Let's say the sound be. Let's say it again, be. We are now going to change the sound. I want you to take away the E and find the sound I and put it in front of the B. B plus I says B. Say the sound after me, B. I now want you to find the sound B on your page. Put your finger on that sound. Let's say the sound B. Say the sound after me again, B. We are now going to change the sound. I want you to take the I away and find me the A. And put the A in front of the B. B plus A together says ba. Say the sound after me, ba. I want you to find the sound ba on your page. Put your finger on the sound ba. Let's say the sound ba. Say the sound after me again, ba. We are now going to change the sound. I want you to take away the A and add the A. B plus A says ba. Say the sound after me, ba. Please find the sound ba on your page. Put your finger on the ba sound. Let's say the sound ba. Say the sound again, ba. Let's read the sounds we have built on the worksheet, starting with the sound ba. Put your finger on the sound ba and let's read it along. Say the sounds after me. ba, be, bi, ba, ba. You are now going to build your own new sounds, starting with the letter K and going through all the letters of the alphabet. If you get stuck, watch the video in section 2 again. Pause the video while you are working, and when you have finished, you can start the video again. Now go to classroom 3, section 5.